This week, join the girls as their trip to the zoo turns into a wild adventure in a windstorm.
Notice, it's a beautiful day out.
So cool! Don't recommend. You probably can't even hear us. I'm not a confident biker.
Okay, don't forget to We are both so winded. It feels like we've been out for 3.5 hours.
It hurt to breathe.
I almost just tripped.
I am this close to going into cardiac arrest.
I don't think it's a more chaotic video that we have. Like, I'm crying. I'm literally crying. In there. It literally just like payment refused. Excuse me? Woo!
This is such a mess. I'm about to cry. How did us already go see animals at Hyde Park turn into this?
Who would have thought?
There's no channel that does it like us.
I've never been so happy to see a parking lot in my life.
Hey kids, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
We're just two girls being bros on YouTube.
Welcome back.
And guess what? We're
in the car.
You're used to it. We're becoming vloggers at this point because that's basically all we can do.
Well, you're wondering, what are we up to today? Well, first of all, if you notice, it's a beautiful day out because we're not wearing our parkas. We are, in fact, I'm wearing a hoodie and a jacket, and you're wearing a hoodie and a jacket. She wants to be me so bad.
Yeah.
I let her for the day. So we decided we're gonna go for a beautiful walk and see some animals.
Yeah, because if you're from Toronto, you know what we're talking about. We're at Hyde Park. Woo! Hyde Park, it's like one of like the 2 big parks in the GTA. I feel like there's like this in Trinity Bellwoods. I'm not even sure if there's any other parks.
Facts. Well, there are
like other parks, but I mean like really big. I don't know what you call this. It's like a really big park.
Well, it's really iconic, like well known because like this park especially, it's because they have cherry blossoms in like May or whatever. Oh, we should come see those.
Oh yeah.
But it gets crazy like for those like. Let's wake up at 6 a.m. and see the cherry blossoms. So yeah, we're hopefully gonna take you on a nice little walk down Hyde Park. For anybody who's never seen it, take this as a little taster, little sample.
Little tour.
But yeah, okay guys, so we're gonna get out of the car finally. You'll see us without the car as a background and BRB.
Hey guys, so we're out of the car. We just made it to the zoo.
Yeah.
And in true two girls being bros fashion. It's all like, we realistically should have seen this coming.
Yeah.
Can you blame us? No.
No, it was because I was like, okay, it's outside. At this point, we're in gray zone, so we're not at the stay-at-home order.
Yeah. Also, it's like we can't make out with the animals, so it's like I don't know what. Like they're behind a fence. Let's see if we can see anything. But this is such an us thing to happen.
Oh, yeah.
Like of course. Oh, you can kind of see something. Wait.
The animals that you guys get. We wanted to show you everything because they literally have buffaloes. Like it's not just a little petting zoo.
Okay, you can kind of see things moving.
Oh yeah.
Back there. Oh yeah, there you can see its antlers. Okay, that's pretty cool.
Well, there's the zoo, guys.
So welcome back to our channel, where
make sure to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you guys.
Thanks for stopping by. Damn it.
I guess, well, we could walk to like, there's like some kind of body of water. Maybe I don't even know what it is, but like maybe
some kind of body of water. No, I think there's like a pond.
Yeah.
We came here once with my cousins before they went to Barbados.
On it. So is it like a lake? I don't, but it's not a lake.
There's Lake Shore.
It's a pond, right?
Yo, let's go to the Lake Shore thing and then just do chin-ups.
Video, I don't know what it's gonna be at this point.
Yeah, so stay tuned. So we have officially started on an adventure to find out what exactly we're gonna be doing. A lot of the stuff is closed. It's not that pretty because it's just becoming spring. Yeah, it's like in the literally in the summer or like / spring, it's like it's all kind of blooming at least.
Even in the winter when there's like snow.
Yeah,
everywhere, right?
But no, we get the peak transition. But hey, without this, we would get nowhere.
Exactly. Like I'm finally not wearing a jacket, so like I'm happy. Like,
exactly.
I feel like I'm coming alive again.
This is kind of cute. Like kind of gives me like Sound of Music vibes. Like this is where they would come to sing for free. Okay, see guys, we finally made it to the body of water. Okay, place your bets down in the comments below now. What is it?
I think it's called a pond. Oh, sorry.
They're guessing. Montage. I'm gonna trip. Oh! Good thing I'm wearing runners. Crosscut check. My Fitbit's probably like, oh, she's on the elliptical again. Every time I walk uphill, it's like, oh, she's on the elliptical. It's like, maybe, no, I'm not.
We're going down.
Yeah, I know.
We're gonna have to go back up.
Exactly. Hence the elliptical. Look at this crazy wind. I know you can't see it, but you can hear it, right? I love how my hair's the one that, like, I'm the one with the hair down, and I could have went so they could see more, but not like other girls. We're going off the trail, baby.
Off-roading.
Smell that? H2O, baby.
Hydrogen, double oxygen.
No.
No.
Dihydrogen. No, wait. H2O. Yeah, so it's two H's, one O.
No, it used to be like 2H, 0O.
But why is there zero O?
Because it's self-explanatory.
There's one O in H2O.
Oh, you got me there.
Guys, and this girl somehow got higher than me on a physics test in grade 10 science.
And don't forget it.
Hey guys, it's back to one girl being bro. Make sure he's canceled. Oh wow, look at that shot. That's a birdhouse. You can't really see it because the lighting's weird, but I can't help you with that. Two girls going swimming. Jump, jump. I should have taken like a running start.
So dramatic for what?
Literally.
Look at the wheat fields, guys. So now we're just walking along. Guys, subscribe for more very fun content like this.
Looking at wheat fields and water.
Yeah, is that wheat? It has to be, right?
No.
Oh.
They're just like, it's just like grass. It's really tall grass.
Oh, well, it must be hydrated. Okay.
Yeah. Guys, look at the slush. It's like a slushy.
POV.
It's like one of those frozen lemonades from Unported.
There's no channel that does it like us.
You really can't tell me other people wouldn't just check out to see if the freaking zoo's open in the middle of a pandemic and then end up just walking around to the body of water.
Someone please comment, is this a pond? Or is it like the
Maybe like leakage from
like Ontario? We probably sound so stupid right now. Also, the sun has decided to go away.
Yeah.
It's freaking freezing.
Rude.
It's a beautiful day out because we're not wearing our parkas.
Like literally, I'm literally only wearing a sweater and this jacket.
Yeah, it's ASMR.
ASMR crunch time.
Walk through the forest.
The forest. Look at all those trees. Uh-oh. Guys, you might recognize this area from our going downtown vlog. This is when I filmed, remember the montage?
Oh, yeah.
Guys, it's the CN Tower.
Cute.
There she is. Guys, we made it. Yay!
But we were like, this is a Hyde Park vlog. Now we're on Lakeshore.
Surprise, surprise. But this is a metaphor for our lives. We never know where we're going because life will take us where we're supposed to.
I also hate sand.
Oh, I hate it.
But we're doing it for you guys, so make sure to leave a thumbs up in the comments.
Exactly. We're now entering sand zone. Oh, and these are the shoes that have pores in them, so they can technically...
This is a mistake. Welcome to Stone.
Skipping lessons 101.
I've never done this before. First time in the chart.
Oh, really? You've never done it? Or like you metaphorically never done it?
I think metaphorically, I might have tried to throw a rock into like a body of water once in my life.
Oh, okay.
I think you go like, whoa.
Okay, hold on. Let me back it up. Okay. So first, oh, it skipped! Because you looked like a fool! Yeah, you're gonna make fun of me! You're throwing it like the freaking, like a quarterback!
Oh, double skip! Can't make fun makes it skip it.
I didn't even film that because I just wanted you to, so you can, you're gonna play this back and you're gonna be like, you can't make fun of me because it's skipping. You'll see yourself and you'll be like, you know what, you could have made fun of me. I don't know where that went.
No, I'm fine.
Oh.
Okay, ready? Okay, do that one. Follow the flick of the wrist.
Oh yeah? Okay, let me try.
Okay, Roxanne's gonna put her money where her mouth is and show me how to skip stones.
I know, look how stupid this looks.
Just grab whatever you feel.
Well, the whole point of a good skip is a nice flat rock.
Yeah.
I haven't done this in years.
I think I missed it.
Wow. I get it. She doesn't want to show the fact that...
Oh, this is a good angle. Oh, I missed. You just do it out of frame. You put it out of frame. Okay. I think it's on cam.
That's okay. Even if not, I hit some.
All right.
That was
Beach day. Hey guys, welcome to our beach day. Woo!
It's plus 1 degree out, so we decided to hit up the beach.
It's so hot. Look at that sun.
Woo! Smoking.
Oh wow, what a
I'm
wonderful day.
melting.
What a
I
wonderful
am
day.
so hot right now. We need some ice cream.
Yeah. Guys.
Look, they're coming to us.
It's me and Roxanne.
Cute. Come here, babes.
Two girls being swans on the cold lake. Aren't they cold? Like, I know they have feathers, but they must be cold. Look how beautiful. Gorgeous ladies.
Majestic.
Or maybe men. I don't know.
Who knows?
Either one.
Do you know? How are you supposed to know?
There's definitely a way, but I don't know.
It's cold in here. There must be some clovers in the atmosphere. Okay guys, so we figured no better way to end the beach day than with a nice little bike ride.
How many times have you bike ridden in your life? Because I can count them on my fingers.
Well, when I was younger, I used to pop off, but now, I don't know, like twice in the summer.
This, you beat me, I told you that once. This may be the worst idea ever. Because A, I'm not a confident biker.
You're not a biker.
I'm not a biker. We don't have helmets. There's also like crazy professional bikers that take this path.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get destroyed, but we figured support the city.
We also don't know the bike laws. I refuse to get on one if my feet can't touch the ground fully.
Can you fit your feet on the ground fully?
Almost.
You feel safe?
I mean, I'm not gonna feel safe.
Next clip is us on a bike.
Yep.
So apparently no bikes are currently available. Okay, that's weird. Guys, look, my eye's crying again.
Sam, stop crying. We're gonna get on a bike. Don't worry.
I'm so emotional. So yeah, so we have to download the app. So I'm downloading it right now. Stay tuned if we get it. It's also negative.
So cool.
It's a beautiful day out.
Like, look at that. Like, I'm literally crying.
The bike app's making her so emotional. Guys, City of Toronto, make it easier. Or maybe we should have just looked into it before.
Yeah, just a thought. Like,
yeah.
I'm crying.
We have to ride a bike with our frozen hands.
I'm crying.
Roxanne's full on bawling right now.
The tears are flowing.
This is such a mess. Oh my god. Oh, please sponsor.
Look at me. I'm crying.
You probably can't even hear us.
It's a beautiful day out.
I thought the Ariel's video was gonna be the worst video. Oh my god.
No, this is by far.
I can't. These are about to be real tears. I literally can't do this right now.
Yeah, it's not letting us buy them.
know
We
why.
made it to the checkout and it won't go.
It literally just like payment refuse. Excuse me? Excuse me?
And who are you? I forgot my credit
Oh, I
card.
know why.
Oh.
I know why.
We're about to sue the bike app.
I was about to be so mad. Like, guys, we made it. Okay, we have our code. What?
It says time. Oh, do you take it off? Oh!
Yeah. Okay.
Guys, we did it. That's the clock. Okay, go.
Oh my god.
Yeah! Guys, we did it!
We made it. Oh my god. 3 hours later.
And now we have to...
literally started this. It took us 15 minutes.
Yeah. 2 girls,
And 2 bikes.
2 bikes. Let's do this. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, Vic's getting on her bike. And also I love how we're both wearing skinny jeans, so it's like this just isn't the fits to do this. But hey, we're doing it.
I'm scared. I'm not a confident biker.
Okay, don't forget to Don't forget to kick the kickstand up. Yes, okay. We're getting started now, folks. See you on the flip side. Guys, look, there's a little belle. Cute. I don't know where she is, but she's there. We're riding in style, baby. Literally looks like you're gonna rock.
I have no idea how to ring the bell, so we have to get started or if I will when it
Something about Brazil. Yo guys, side note, take in that there's literally bikes right here.
I can't feel my fingers.
What? Really? That's so bad. Vic, try riding with one hand.
Do you want me to fall?
You really can't let go? intense that was.
I can barely ride in a straight line with 2 hands.
It's fair. Honestly, you're one of the worst bike riders I've ever seen.
I'm not confident.
Yeah. Woo! This girl is legally allowed to drive a car by herself. Take that in.
Yeah, I can ride.
Point of view, you're on a romantic date with 2 girls being bros.
Should have also put my glasses on.
Yeah, we shouldn't. We don't want to let you on the road. Drake, let us in! Let us in! Round 2.
We're back, guys.
We're back, baby. See, it wasn't that far. Okay, guys, we're 15 minutes in.
I'm so comfortable.
Look at her, she's chilling.
Here we go.
But I think we have to turn around now. So turn around, Vic.
I have to walk it out now.
Look at that windmill churning, baby. Churning that butter. Potty alert.
The only advice I have is bring gloves.
Yeah, that's so true. Yo, I'm so much taller than you. I can plant my feet firmly on the floor.
No.
Ha 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 ha.
So we have 15 minutes to get back.
Will we make it?
Stay tuned.
Okay, guys, you might not hear this, but we just returned our bikes.
Things took a turn for the worst. So I would have played back to me being like, this is so much fun. This is so easy. Yeah, try going against the wind. Okay?
Yeah. On our way back, we were going against the wind. It was brutal. Like, I was like burning up.
I kid you not, I almost died. Like, I was like, I am this close to going into cardiac arrest. I'm so comfortable.
Look at her, she's chilling.
And Roxana's like 30 meters ahead of me. I'm like, I'm gonna pass out on the bike, on the ground, on the floor now. This is it.
We didn't even make it back to our original spot.
I was contemplating quitting at them before. I was gonna call you back and be like, I can't. But then I was like,
Downhill, yeah.
guys,
That was so funny.
I've never felt like that before in my life. It hurt to breathe. I couldn't breathe through my nose. My throat hurt. You know when it hurts, but it's not like you're sick, but it's just your chest.
Yeah.
Hurts. My chest is hurting. My legs are in pain. I wanted to cry.
Look at her, she's chilling.
So I made it.
We made it! Woo woo! And just in the nick of time. Like, I thought we were gonna have tons of time, but we literally made it with like 2 minutes to spare. So
I thought that it was gonna be as easy. I didn't take in the wind. I didn't take in that we were riding with the wind on the way there.
yeah.
On the way home, like not fun. I don't recommend. I'm taking it back.
Well, maybe not in the cold. Without the wind, it wouldn't have been that hard.
That was so, it hurt. My chest hurt. I was like, I'm literally going into cardiac arrest. And it was easier to go up the huge hill than go down.
Yeah. Guys, look, it's Jurassic Park. Okay, go touch the Stegosaurus.
I want to touch a dinosaur, guys.
Cute. Hey guys, just one more set of lights. We're almost there. We're almost there.
God, guys, this is a mess. How did us going to go see animals at Hyde Park turn into this?
Who would have thought?
Full blown work.
Echo! Why are you laughing? Again. Echo! Ooh, yeah! There's no one around. No one knows. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! She's just trying to give up. I probably looked to show. Guys, there's like, I'm about to cry. Guys, my eyes are so crusty from all the tears, and my hair is a knot, and I can't hold the camera properly because my hands are so cold. My legs feel fake. I can't right now.
What's wrong with us? Why didn't you subscribe? Like, thank you. Don't leave.
Please. We just made up a huge hill. We are both so winded.
We're dying.
Like, this is brutal.
We're hopefully gonna take you on a nice little walk down Hyde Park.
This is horrible. Oh my gosh, but we're almost there, guys. Almost there. I just wanted to say thanks for if you made it this far, thanks for sticking with us. I don't even know if you can see us. I'm too lazy to flip the viewfinder, whatever it's called.
This video is shambles.
And I just love how it's like we probably should have stopped the second that we found out that the zoo was closed. But cheers to sticking with us.
We rode our bikes all the way practically downtown.
Literally, and it literally just progressively, I can't even speak, progressively got worse and worse.
Yeah.
Like,
It's freezing.
I don't think there's a more chaotic video that we have.
Oh no.
We are exhausted. It feels like we've been out for 3.5 hours.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's been like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
I still have to go tutor people. And then I have a game night tonight. I might literally just pass out because this is ridiculous. Fun times.
Ooh.
We're not done yet, guys. Hang in there.
Energy high, vibes positive. Woo!
I almost just tripped.
Yeah.
We made it to the parking lot. We're there. I've never been so happy to see a parking lot in my life. I'm just
All right, guys.
We're back.
Back in the car. We made it.
I am exhausted. I love how extra we went. We really could have, we didn't have to do this much.
No,
but
we could have just
did.
went for a walk around Hyde Park, but we were like, no, let's freaking bike downtown.
So
hope you enjoyed our pain. It was fun for the most part.
Yeah.
You know.
freaking cold, but we'll look back on this day and forget how cold it was and remember the good times we had.
Exactly.
And we hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Give us this video a thumbs up to help us keep us warm, and don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos.
Anyways,
thanks for stopping by.